costume jewelry or not, you're never fully dressed without a tiara.
Wow.
Let's hope this girl likes to share her toys. Guess not. Poor baby. Be careful when begging. That doesn't lead to choosing after all. Don't get mad, honey. Get creative. Get inspired. Make something. Good idea. Straws are basically smaller versions of those tubes. But you can still stretch them out and make shapes. Cool. You can even make little loops and connect them. The expression less is more kind of comes to mind. I'd be careful. Squirrels bite when they get angry. Confetti makes a mess, but at least they're not throwing nuts. Ah, the toilet paper roll, a crafter's best friend. And if we need a squirrel, we'll just make one out of a balloon. Put your drawing skills to work. Go on, draw a face on it. I wonder where I could get a golden purse like that. Wow, you can pop the buttons in and out, twice! If you can't make something out of construction paper, it's not worth having. Of course, laminating always makes things a little better. Making that cut transforms a circle into a button. Squishies. Whether they're cute or creepy, they're just fun. But maybe toothpaste, glitter, and a balloon can be fun too. We lose a lot of good tights to these DIY crafts. When you squeeze it all big, you can't tell the difference at all. Time for another round of the color game. Well, let's see. Blue, yellow, and green.
Whoa.
Wow.
Oh, so it looks like she is willing to share. Wonder what they're paying her. But once again, a balloon can be just as fun, with a little gypsum. See, even the other girl's friends are interested, and so is she. Kind of reminds me of an eggshell. Quick, guess the colors. Who knew you could have so much fun with beans? Did she really need to break her bracelet? Well, we'll see. For now, she has the right amount, and everything's coming together. More squishy toys, and it's finally fun to touch a cactus. Well, at least she shared something with the other girl. And it's good to see that she has something up her sleeve. Glitter and shaving cream. Oh, this is gonna be good. And you can make it any color you want. That's cool. Okay, this girl must really be into stress balls. She's got them in rainbow and on silver platters. Well, you never know. One girl's trash is another girl's treasure. Not sure why there's a giant ball pile, but why question it? The best things in life are the just add water things. Let's hope it's tied shut, or things are gonna get messy. What on earth does our poor little rich girl have to cry about? Oh, how cute. It looks like she's making a friend. Good thing paper clips don't need to breathe. Well, it looks like we have time to make one more toy. Making something by cutting it apart is just beautiful. Collect a few straws, and you can make a whole bunch of them. At least this girl knows how to share. Awesome stuff as usual. Thanks for checking us out, and catch you next time.